Corporate India, meanwhile, believes that the government's reform drive, coupled with a growth-oriented budget, has indeed revived investor sentiment. Many industry honchos, though, are not ruling out the possibility of early polls.
Industry, I would say, was a bit pessimistic 6 months ago. But after the reform process has recommenced, and after we saw the pronouncements in the budget, which are growth-oriented, we're not pessimistic. CCI is very good for the large projects, but we should have a similar system where the smaller projects are also cleared rapidly. The clearance process in India should become faster, and the ease of doing business in India should improve.
We are able to continue this process of, building confidence, saying that India is open for business and we will give a stable regime. I think we should see investments come back to India.
There is a concern that there could be some level of inaction leading up to the election, or in fact some popular actions being taken, which may not necessarily be the right action for the long-term growth of the industry.
Are the elections going to be in May 2014, or will the Lok Sabha election not just prepone to coincide with the 5 state elections in November? That will determine partly whether investment will take place or not. Based on last 3 years or last 12 months or 18 months, I don't think anybody who's pessimistic can be told that he's inordinately pessimistic. To say that you try to get out of pessimism and become optimist, that is correct.
Elections are neither a boon or a bane. General elections are a reality. The last budget that Mr. Chidambaram came out with was a very responsible budget. There weren't any steps taken to gain any kind of advantage for the elections or anything. So I think the industry did welcome the budget.
Some of the CEOs there did allude to political uncertainty, and that continues to worry market as well, because today there was quite a